Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Built with institutions in mind, XRP is here for you. There may be substantial benefits if you're willing to go along for the journey. Stay tuned for all the latest XRP news as we discuss the impending $40 price explosion, a major XRPL upgrade in 2 weeks, and more in this video. If you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency world, all you have to do is subscribe and switch on your notification bell. Here we go with this video. Thus, I will begin with Claver. Now, business tycoon Claver discusses XRP use case in particular. Now, for those of you who have been around for a long or who have been actively involved with this channel, we have explored XRP extensively while also getting a good grasp on its true architecture. The retail investor has never been our focus. Indeed, both of us own XRP. The truth is that it wasn't made with us in mind. While individual investors are welcome to hold XRP and make use of ripples on the XRP Ledger, the design team's current priority is streamlining international payments for institutions. This, according to Claver, is happening while they work on the project. We are talking about the rapid, cheap, and interconnected transfer of large sums of money across international financial networks. Just lately, we noticed that our USD stablecoin will be released solely through institutions. XRP is attempting to bridge that gap and introduce blockchain technology to the masses. Think about rapid payments and all those Visa transactions. Why am I disclosing this to you? What matters most is that this be addressed, I suppose. As a matter of fact, the same guy who created XLM also created another version that ordinary investors could use. The only way for something that could and should be used at institutional levels to behave is to experience a dramatic increase in price, a reduction in supply, and, most importantly, the possibility that large, prestigious institutions will purchase the entire supply of Ripple, making it unaffordable for the average retail investor. In the future, it may potentially reach a stage where purchasing even one XRP coin becomes financially impossible. Is it my prediction that Ripple will reach $10,000 next week, starting from the 2nd? A completely insane idea. You must keep in mind that this is an investment for the future and that the focus must be on the institutions involved. In fact, we can observe the current state of XRPL and comprehend its progressive development. In only 2 weeks, we will receive a significant upgrade centered on the AMM. Lots has happened in the past several months, but in the end, this improves functionality and lets decentralized mechanisms be built on top of XRPL without depending on a third party to facilitate. Midway through August, we witnessed the testnet reset and the temporary outage caused by developers upgrading and preparing the network for what's to come. Thus, realizing the significance of that once more. Here we're talking about the ability to trade meme coins on XRPL. The goal here is to make sure that XRPL can handle institutional-level investments, and Ripple can take a small cut of the fees. Ultimately, the question is whether or not AW can tokenize physical assets. I think that's where things start to become interesting, and it's also why many people think Ripple is about to have a major breakthrough when you put everything into a neat bar. This long-term falling wedge has been discussed. In the end, the current truth is that many are forecasting a big rebound and a possible price point of $40. The current price of XRP changes from day to day, based on the time of day you check the news, and, in the end, on the source you choose. However, I believe we are all in agreement that XRP will experience a rally. We anticipate a substantial price spike for XRP, and the amount purchased by institutions will determine the exact amount. That is all there is to it. That can be understood by consulting the charts at your leisure. Well, we can expect to see a price hike if this is purchased in bulk. I think XRP is about to break free from its constraints, considering how difficult the market is right now. We observed a considerable outflow of XRP from exchangers. As we said only yesterday, 144 million XRP will be transferred from the bank and exchange to a holding wallet for the foreseeable future. Reiterating the reality, large quantities of XRP have been taken from exchanges and placed in long-term holding bags. This may be preparing the groundwork for financial backers to step in. This might be an arrangement to distribute the funds to large companies so that XRPL can pass its mandatory stress test. Right now, what are we looking at if you look at the price and the chart? I was expecting we would be able to break back above the 200 exponential moving average, but all we're doing is holding below it. Contrary to expectations, the market as a whole is trading flat ahead of next week's Federal Reserve rate decreases. Good CPI numbers rolling in. Bitcoin did not benefit much from the discussion. But we will begin to retest these upper ranges of 55 cents tomorrow, the following day, and the following week. If all goes well, on September 18th, we should see a breakout at 62 cents again. We are seeking that particular day. If the bull market cycle continues, today may represent a watershed moment for cryptocurrencies as a whole. Big news for Ripple, but everyone is anticipating a major shift. We are still patiently waiting for the expected breakout, but there are a lot of moving parts that, in my view, are setting them up to switch it on when the time is right, and XRP's price will definitely accelerate. Still, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the space provided. Your opinion is greatly appreciated, as always. Where do you see Ripple's value going from here? Additionally, do you believe that institutional investors should be the only ones allowed to use Ripple, or do you see a role for individual investors as well? My video would not have been seen without you. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.